Hi, my dear students. Today I will explain you how to pronounce ed at the end of the regular verbs. Regular verbs in the past end in ed. For example, started, cooked, rained. However, there are three different ways to pronounce the ed. We can say eat like started, cooked, to like cooked, the like rained. But how do you know which to say? You need to use your ears and listen to the final sound of the infinitive. For example, to in start, ku in cook, no in rain. Ask yourself, are these sounds voiced or unvoiced? Hold your fingers to your throat to check if they are voiced or unvoiced. You should feel something when the sound is voiced. Have a look at the chart below and see if you can feel the difference between voiced and unvoiced consonant. Okay, first, p, b, t, b, ch, j, k, p, b, s, b, etc. Remember, it is the sound that is important, not the letters or spelling. For example, the final letter in like is E, but the final sound is K. Let's come back to our examples. Rained, cooked, and started. The final sound in rain is N, and this is voiced. The final sound in cook is K, and this is unvoiced. And the final sound in start is T, and this is unvoiced. So what's the rule? We pronounce the ed as the after voiced consonants, except the. For example, rained, failed, robbed. We pronounce the ed as t after unvoiced consonants, except t. For example, cooked, helped, watched. We pronounce the ed as it after d and t. For example, started, decided, and visited. Help. The last sound isn't a consonant, it's a vowel. For example, try. Try finishes in a vowel sound I. If the final sound is a vowel, we pronounce the ed as the tried. Okay, now we have one test to do now. Let's do it. Look at these regular verbs in the box and decide if they are pronounced as to, do, or ed. For example, first, asked, asked. We have the voice k, and it is after it we pronounce the verb like to asked. Then cold. Yes, cold. We have L. That's why we pronounce it like the cold. Then discovered. Discovered. Discovered R. Then after it we add ed but pronounce like discovered. Enjoyed. Yes, we have Y. That's why we pronounce like enjoyed. Invite, invite, we have it. That's why we add ed, but pronounce it like invited. Jumped, yes, jumped. We have p. That's why we pronounce like jumped. Lived, live. We have e, and before it we have we pronounce it like lived, the lived. Looked again, looked. Miss, we add ed but pronounce like missed. Reach, reach, ed but ch. The voice we pronounce it like yes, reached. Needed, yes, need, ed, needed. Okay. I hope everything is clear and you will complete this task at home. It will be your homework, and I believe that everything is clear That's all for today. See you.